Hello there, you are watching Nadir Rabi, and in this video we are going to cover how professionally mock up your designs in Photoshop. So let's get into it. So to start with, open the JPEG in the Photoshop. I'm gonna select the rectangle tool, click anywhere and enter the dimensions of my design. So this is 376 by 811 and I'm gonna set the stroke for none and give this a bright color fill. It doesn't matter what color. Next I'm gonna move this in the middle and you can see it's a little bit too small. So I'm gonna right click this in the layers panel and select convert smart object. Now I can double click this and go to inside smart object, go to image down to canvas size, and then after these values type asterisk 3. This is going to multiply these dimensions by 3 times. I'm doing this because I have a high-res photograph and I want my design to be nice and clear. So I'm gonna scale this up proportionally and then save this file and jump back to the main document. And you can see it's now got a lot bigger, and I can actually resize this in here as well by going to edit and down to free transform. Hold shift and scale from one of the corners, and you can also hold alt or option to scale to or from the center. Now I'm gonna position this here and size this up. Now once that's done, I'm gonna hide this layer, select the background, zoom in nice and close, and then go to up to some Photoshop selection tools. So we have object selection, quick selection, and magic wand selection. So we will start with the magic wand. Click here, nice and easy. However, if I zoom in, you can see the selection. It doesn't quite cover all of the white. So I'm gonna go to select, modify and expand. Start with a small value and gradually expand this out by 1 pixel at a time, just until we are covering more of the white. Now when I mask my design, I don't want the edge to be too hard. I'm gonna repeat this, but instead go to further and select 1 pixel. This will soften the edge ever so slightly and just gives it a slightly more realistic look. Yep, all looks good. Now with this selection, I can select smart object, turn it back on, and select the add layer mask icon from the bottom of the layers panel. And I'm gonna give this a layer name just to keep everything nice and organized. Now the thumbnail, double click thumbnail of the smart object and then get your design into that PSD file. So you can see here I've got mine open in Photoshop. So I'm just gonna duplicate it into that file. If you are in XD or Illustrator, you can copy and paste, export and import, whatever you need to do. And then just resize this to fit the canvas. Save and close. And you will see your design is now added to the device. And you can zoom in to check everything looks good. And there we go. As always guys, please feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.